So while I have the Festool version, you can get one from Amana that's a bit cheaper. I think this one's like 80, but I got this in a kit. Now notice here you have the drill bit for the pilot hole, and then you also have this right here which does the countersinking. Now these can be adjusted independently. This will adjust the depth of the drill bit, and this will adjust the depth of the countersink. And this collar, when it meets the board or the surface, it won't mar it. So I think the Amana one's like $30 to $45. And the cool thing is you can take these out. I think the same thing for Amana. So these are really great bits that speed up the workflow. All right, let me show you guys this in action. Let me make sure my hand's not in the way like last time. All right, as you can see, we got our pilot hole and it's countersunk. So at this point, we're going to drive our wood screws. Make sure you guys can see this better. Okay, gotta adjust the torque a little bit on here. Fine tune it. Okay, still need to fine tune it a little bit more. Now, I would suggest honestly to maybe hand screw them just because you don't want to tear the head.